Hey, I'm Jamila.
And I'm Tremona.
And we're here to invite you to Elevate Your Impacts Sunday Social. It's happening November 16th from 11 to 2 at Grand Events. We're inviting all nonprofit leaders to come and join us for a day of networking, learning, and a special giveaway.
On behalf of Grant Balch University, we would like to just extend our gratitude and give away a $250 grant to one of the deserving nonprofits that are doing major things in our city. But in order to qualify, you have to be in the building and you must bring guests. Okay, the more the merrier. We're trying to fill this baby up, and we're trying to spread more information, drop more jewels, more nuggets, so that we can continue elevating our impact. So please be in the building.
See you November 16th.
There we go.